Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by ensuring tack fits. You want the bit centered and the throat lash comfortable so the horse breathes. Once done, draw reins from the bit rings, thread them through the girth D-rings or over the saddle straps, then secure. Make the first adjustment to about 1/2 the normal rein length so contact is light. You do this to establish a feel for balance and straightness before applying influence. This reduces sudden pressure and helps the horse accept the new lines. You now ride with the draw reins engaged, starting at the walk and then a steady trot. Keep your hands quiet and soft. Give a short corrective nudge when the head comes high or the neck braces, and release instantly when the horse yields. Once you see relaxed poll flexion and the nose near vertical or slightly in front, make sure to reward by easing. You do this because intermittent pressure teaches acceptance, whereas constant pull creates resistance. Progressively ask for more hindquarter engagement and straightness. You finish by taking the draw reins off after a few minutes of work, then ride on the normal reins to evaluate the effect. Look for improved rhythm, a softer pull, and a straighter body. If those signs are present, gradually phase use out. If the horse braces, hollows, or loses rhythm, lower the pressure, shorten sessions to 5 to 10 minutes, and return to walk work while encouraging relaxation. Finally, if problems persist, consult a knowledgeable trainer to adjust fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.